If you're trying to install Snapchat but you are unable, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Snapchat from Google Play Store. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Google Play Store and make sure that you are logged in with your Gmail account. However, if you are unable still while logged in, then go ahead and tap on your email account icon and scroll down to settings. From here, you should see we have quite a number of options. Look for this option called network preferences. Under it, go to app download preference. And here you can see we have various options. Go ahead and choose the first option over any network. This will ensure that you are able to download any app via any network. Then tap on OK. And from this, you should be able to have your problem fixed. However, if you can't still install Snapchat, then the problem might be with the Play Store app itself. For that, make sure you go to Play Store and access the app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see app info or a settings gear if you don't see app info. Alternatively, you can also see the app name. That depends on the version of your phone you are using. So for my case, I'll tap on this, and here we are on app info for this Google Play Store. Here we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data on Google Play Store. Of importance is this cache data, and cache data sometimes might cause your app to malfunction when a lot of it accumulates. So to fix this, we need to clear this by just tapping on clear data down below and then choose clear cache and OK. Now you can see our cache files have been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone, and now if you go back to your Play Store, search for Snapchat, and here we go, is our app. I'll go ahead and try install it, and now I'm able to install Snapchat without any issue. So that's how you can fix can't install Snapchat from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.